Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Tonight's video, we're going to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, Cardano, Solana, and Shiba in that order. And we're going to talk about something I did not like on the chart. And let's see if we can get a 4-hour candle close above this. But right now, guys, we're looking at the daily chart and we're looking at a hash ribbon. Some of these lines are old on here that I gotta get rid of, but they actually, they're still valid. If you look at them. We're still hitting valid points here on these lines, so we'll keep some of these. We'll just leave it for now. But right here, we're looking at the 20 EMA, okay? This is the 20 EMA, this purple line. Guys, we closed the daily underneath it. I don't like that. That is a little bearish to me. I could see a little bit more downside, maybe to this $45,000 area. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we get a 4-hour candle close above here, above about 47,400 area. That's what I would like to see. And I had it right here, 47,400 on this one. And I also had it on this chart from yesterday, 47,400 area. So let's see if we can get a 4-hour candle closing above here. But this is looking like more downside. We had our little wedge. We did get our pop up to the upside, which was a nice little, $1,000 gain. We did get that. We pretty much did all these on all the charts. We got these little moves coming out of this wedge, but we only hit our first targets and then kind of came back down and trickled. We didn't get that continuation. But guys, when you go up in these moves, always take a little bit off the top, a little bit off of here, and then move your stop loss to your buy-in. This way, if you're trading, if you're long-term holding, then of course that's different. But if you're a trader, then that's what you want to do. Okay, money management, guys. But what are we seeing for Bitcoin? I'm seeing a little weakness short term. I did not like that close. I'm gonna get rid of this because this is irrelevant now. This pattern already played out because look, we already broke to the upside from this one right here. So we'll get rid of that. Okay. What do we have? Let's go to the 4-hour. Make it a little bit more solid here. Okay. All right. See here. Boom. Boom. See, we could have something like this developing. Okay. All right. This little channel that we're in here. So let's see if we can break out of this channel and go back to the upside or maybe continue downwards a little bit before we break out. But let's see if that can happen. But I do not like this close, guys. Let's see on the daily. We do have the moving averages. So let's see if we get a bounce off of 46,650 area. Let's see. 46 660 area maybe, and then maybe the 200 would be next around the 45,800. So let's see if we can get a bounce off of one of these moving averages, if anything. Let's see. We do have. Okay, and we do have. Let's see the bottom of this. We don't want to get under this 55 EMA. That would look a little ugly. But we did break under the 20, which, I don't like that. I don't like how we closed the daily under that. We also created a new low from this candle here, so that's not good as well. So Ethereum, let's move on to Ethereum, guys. We're still looking for this bigger pattern. I could draw this triangle out farther. Let's see here. I'll just do an extension for now. But you guys, we still want to trade sideways and break out of this triangle, and that's where we want to go to the upside here. With my first target would be around 37. If that happens. If we break down, then yes, I would be looking at 31 actually our first target would be 32.16 to 31 1 or 31.10, and also 30.50 and 29.50. Okay, those would be my downside targets to look for. Bounce. My last area would be 29.50, and that should hold. I don't think it's going to go any farther than that if it does go to the downside. Let's see, Matic, guys. Let's see, did we get to $1? Let's see. It might go to $1.28. I'm actually going to move this down a little bit because I don't want it going off in midstream. But maybe $1.28. If that doesn't hold, then yeah, we'll look for this area down here at $1.19 to $1.09. Okay, so that would be my areas of downside. To the upside, we want to break out of this little triangle pattern. We had our little pop, like I said, on all of these. On Ethereum, look, guys, if I zoom in, we had these little like, let's see, 4 or 5% moves here. This thing I got to double click now. And guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purposes only. This is 2% move. I believe Bitcoin had a bigger move. Let's see what Matic. Matic probably only did 2% too. So these actually, I mean, it was 2 to 1, guys. You always want to take these because you could always move your stop loss up. Yeah, 2 to 1 there. Let's see, Cardano. Cardano is actually holding my 225 that I talked about in yesterday's video, and we're still in this downtrend. Still waiting to break out here. Let's go to the hour chart. Actually, let's go to the 4 hour. Let's go to the 4 hour. All right. Cardano, we are hitting my last line of defense here. You can see here we did get a little pop out of this wedge here too. We came up, boom, hit our target actually at 239. That was probably a little move. I mean, these weren't big moves, guys, because we just weren't getting the volume as the weekend, 2%. But now we are folding. We are folding under the 225, it looks like, as we speak. That close on Bitcoin was not nice for us. So I do see downside. I'm trying to get this video out quicker to you guys. Let's see if $2 holds up too. All right. But I'm going to try to hurry up and get this video done so I can get it out to you guys. Solana, we are in this little wedge. This is a bullish wedge, but looks like we are breaking to the downside. Let's see if we get a bounce here. If not, then yes, 143, 135, and 130 would be on deck for my next moves down to the downside. Let's see if this 149, 150 holds. Okay, if we break to the upside, 164 and 175, 180, and then my high targets would be 185. Okay, we're breaking down as we speak. This could be just wicks though. You want to see a candle closing out of here to get confirmation. They can wick it and then bring it back up and fake you guys out. SHIB, we had our pattern here. We broke to the upside. Now that was the move, guys. That was a nice 12% move. And now we are coming down with the rest of the market. But we did get rejected. This is the only problem, guys. We did get rejected here at our trend. Once again, you can see we got rejected at our trend. We came out of it here and fell back in. I said that was bearish. We came down, we came up, we got rejected again. So SHIB is not looking that healthy either. So let's see what happens with Bitcoin. Like right now, we definitely need to get back above this 20 EMA, which is sitting around 47. Let's just say 47,400. I want to see us get above 47,400. Get a 4-hour candle close above there, or even a 6 to 12-hour candle would be nice for maybe upside. But right now, this is looking grim, guys. This is looking grim. No doubt about it. We're dropping as we speak. I apologize. I wish I could have got this video done quicker. Hopefully we get a bounce here soon, but let's see what happens here at my line. See if we get a bounce here right now. It looks like we are holding a little bit, but this is not looking good, guys. So keep that in mind. You guys do what you want with it. I'm just telling you, it doesn't look good right now, but we are hitting some of my lines here. Like on Matic, we hit 128. We are getting the bounce there. Solana, we did come down to the 148 mark, which I have right here. So let's see if that bounces. Okay, SHIB's really not doing anything. So Matic, Cardano, well, you could see maybe right here, we do have this little right here. Okay, at 220. What did we get to? 220. Okay. So maybe, just maybe, guys, we have a chance here. So let's see if this does, if those levels hold up. If not, then yeah, we could see more downside. Um, and yeah, I think that's it for tonight's video. Just be aware, be careful. I might make this a danger video just to keep you guys aware of this and make sure you guys know what to look for on the 4-hour chart, the 4-hour ribbon. We are down here, so we always want to get back above the 4-hour ribbon, which right now is at 46, 672, but that can change as the price moves. So if some of you guys want to use this, all you do is go to TradingView. It's free. You go to TradingView, and this is free too. You go to Templates, and you go to MAEXP Ribbons. Okay, but that's how you get to the ribbons, guys. And you always want to stay atop of this. I made this line purple. All I did was I went to indicators and I added 20 EMA and I just made it purple. Okay. So that's how I changed the colors, but yours might be red or something or orange or whatever. I mean, you don't have to change it, guys. I just did that to make it more visible, for me. So, but it's on there originally. It comes on there. It just might be a different color. Just, when you get this twist right here, this would be your 20. All you have to do is actually click on it and it'll show you what it is. So right now, length 20. Um, so keep that in mind. But let's see if we get these bounces. So far, Matic's, guys, we're on the brink. We're on the brink here. All right. So I'm going to get this video out to you. Everything is even right here on my SHIB. We're on the brink. So let's see what happens here, guys. Much love to you guys. Um, I wish I could tell you something different, but this is what it is. So keep aware. Just be cautious out there, guys. Much love to you guys. I really appreciate you guys watching my video. This is a Sunday close. This is a weekly close. Um, so let's see here. I mean, we're still looking good on the weekly, guys. Just maybe short term, we get a little pullback. Anywhere from 45 to 44, even touching this line again down here is possible. But and then a bounce. All right, so I'm not 100% bearish on this. It's just short term we could see a little downside, but we are going to bounce. We are going to bounce off my lines here. So let's see if my lines can actually hold, um, and see what happens here. But I think that's it, guys. Listen, make sure you guys. I'm gonna put a link to Webull in the description. Make sure you guys, if you don't have Webull, join Webull. Get some free shares. Buy some SHIB. That's what I'm doing, anyways. And that's what I recommend you guys doing. But I'm not a financial advisor. You guys can do whatever you want with your money. This is just something that I think that if you put a little bit of money in and you just leave it and it's free, you guys can take advantage of it. Or you could just hold the free stocks. Or if you share with 3 of your friends, you do get an Apple share for free, which is worth about $150. Then you can take your $100 back, but you do got to let it clear. It does take 2 or 3 business days, so just keep that in mind. And I think that's it, guys. Listen, much love. Don't panic yet, but let's just be aware of this. It's not looking good right now, but there's still a fighting hope. We are getting a nice bounce off of off of the Cardano, off of Solana. It looks like at 148, we're getting that bounce there. We are getting a little tiny bounce off of SHIB. Let's see, Matic, same thing off of 128 on my line here. Bitcoin, we're pretty close. So let's see what happens here, guys. Listen, much love. Just be careful. It's looking ugly. There is some, decent looking patterns here. We can redraw this up. We're going to redraw this on Ethereum, guys, because we want to be surprised. Surprise. Hold on. Let me draw this up here. Let's see. I got to take off that extension. Yeah, we definitely want to be precise here, guys. So let's do this. Let's take off this extension. And I think that's it for tonight's video, guys. This is what I'm looking for, though. Let's see if we can break back up out of here. And eventually, for the bigger move, guys, we want to break this longer-term trend right here on Ethereum to go higher up on the bigger move. Same thing with Matic here. Same thing with Cardano. We want to break this bigger trend to go higher. I'm gonna have to draw something up here new. It looks like for actually, we'll have to wait for more confluence here on Solana to really draw something up. But yeah, I think that's it, guys. I'm gonna get this video out to you because it is looking dangerous. Much love to you guys. I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys hit the thumbs up. Make sure you guys sub, hit the bell, hit the all. Much love to all you guys. Peace out.